Shit.
One Papa Overdose, man. It's June 12th, 2010, man. We're at the Movie Theater, man, on the Southwest side, man. A lot of people said it couldn't be done, man. Man, I'm here to tell you, man, say, GU to Southwest, we in the building. Oklahoma, Texas, all the way to New Mexico, man. GU to Southwest, we in the building, man. GU, no doubt, man.
For sure, man.
For sure. We in this bitch. For sure.
Tell the people who here tonight, man.
50. Lord Banks.
They thought it couldn't be done, right?
Said it couldn't be
They
done.
had a little beef back in the game, right?
No doubt,
a few years
man,
back.
No doubt, man. But I'm gonna tell you,
but you know, 50's always bigger than beef, right?
Pop here to set the record straight, man. Straight up, man, from all the way from Sandpiper, West Belford, the airport, to Braeswood, man. 8900, they in the building, man. South Park, you in the building, man. Screw, you here, boy, no doubt, man. DJ Flash, I can't forget about you, Michael Price. You in the building, baby. We here, Southwest, we here.